welcome back to our channel. Today, we're stepping into the first impression of any home, its entrance. Imagine walking up to a door that tells a story before you even step inside. Whether it's the charm of a rustic porch or the elegance of a modern facade, the home entrance sets the tone. Let's explore how you can transform yours into a warm and inviting space. Welcome to Green Home Living. Nestled amidst the vibrant hues of fall, a classic porch stands as a testament to timeless elegance. Flanked by columns that reach towards the heavens, the wooden door beckons with its warm, inviting glow. On either side, potted plants and fiery red shrubs stand guard like sentinels of nature's own making. The air is crisp, and the leaves whisper tales of change as they rustle in the gentle breeze. Between the hustle and bustle of city life lies a tranquil retreat, a doorway to serenity. Surrounded by lush greenery and vibrant flora, this wooden door stands as an invitation to a world away from the noise. It's not just an entrance, but a portal to a peaceful haven, where every plant and flower adds to the symphony of nature's quietude. Here, in this hidden oasis, one finds solace amidst the leaves and blooms that guard this secret garden. The image shows a front door to a house flanked by lush, vibrant plants. The door is black, with a modern design and two vertical glass panels. On either side of the door are large pots filled with bright red and green foliage, while the ground is adorned with various green plants and flowers, adding to the welcoming ambiance. doorway, crafted from warm-toned wood and adorned with intricate glass panels, invites one into the abode. Flanking the door are two rustic wall lanterns that promise a soft glow come evening. The brick facade of the house exudes an earthy comfort, complemented by terracotta pots brimming with verdant plants and vibrant flowers. In a bustling city, there lies a hidden gem of tranquility, the green embrace. This modern oasis stands as a testament to nature's resilience amidst urban sprawl. The facade, a harmonious blend of rich wooden panels and reflective glass, whispers stories of craftsmanship and sustainability. Verdant foliage cascades from the rooftop garden, framing the entrance in a lush embrace that beckons passers-by to discover the serenity within. In the embrace of nature's touch, a grand wooden door stands as the gateway to tranquility. Flanked by twin stone planters, lush with greenery, it beckons visitors into the serene abode. The door's glass panes reflect the promise of warmth within, while wall-mounted lanterns offer a soft glow, guiding one's journey home. Here lies not just an entrance, but an invitation to solace and harmony. In the heart of a lush garden, an ornate wooden door stands as a portal to untold stories. Flanked by terracotta pots brimming with red geraniums and embraced by climbing greenery and delicate white blossoms, this entryway promises a journey into a realm where nature's beauty intertwines with the warmth of home. The allure lies not just in its promise of shelter, but in the whispered secrets of the garden that beckons one to uncover what lies beyond. In a quaint brick-lined alley where ivy and greenery cascade like nature's drapery, there lies a blue door. It's not just any door, it's a portal to tranquility, an entrance to a world untouched by the city's clamor. As one steps over the threshold, the air shifts, filled with the scent of blooming flowers and the soft whisper of leaves dancing in the breeze. This is the secret garden, a hidden oasis that promises solace and beauty behind its unassuming blue gateway. There is a modern house entrance with a prominent wooden door flanked by glass panels. The facade of the house features a combination of dark bricks and black metallic elements, creating a sleek and contemporary look. The entrance is accented by 2 potted plants on either side of the door, adding a touch of greenery. The pathway leading to the door is made up of large stone tiles, bordered by lush grass and vibrant garden beds filled with ornamental grasses and perennials. The image shows the front entrance of a house during what appears to be evening time. The entrance features a black double door, flanked by 2 symmetrical side lights and topped with a transom window. The door is set into a stone facade, and there are 4 wall-mounted lantern-style lights, 2 on each side of the door, casting a warm glow. On either side of the entrance, large potted plants add a touch of greenery. Nestled within a rustic stone facade, a sturdy wooden door stands as the silent guardian to a hidden realm. Flanked by an array of lush greenery and vibrant blooms, the entrance beckons with an unspoken promise of tranquility. Twin lanterns perch like sentinels, casting a warm glow that dances across the foliage, enhancing the enchanting allure of this serene threshold. A woven rug lies at the foot of the door, offering a colorful greeting to all who approach this peaceful sanctuary. In the heart of a serene garden stands an aged wooden door, its rich patina whispering tales of countless greetings and farewells. Flanked by rugged stone walls, this portal exudes a warmth that only years under the sun can bestow. A collection of potted plants, boasting vibrant yellow blooms and lush greenery, stands guard on either side, their leaves rustling softly in the gentle breeze. In the heart of a lush oasis, hidden by the embrace of nature's finest, stands a solitary salmon pink door. It is framed by verdant ivy that climbs and clings to the rustic brick wall, as if guarding the secrets within. A cobblestone path, worn by the footsteps of unseen visitors, leads to this portal of mystery. Flanking this path is a vibrant tapestry of flowers. Their hues of orange, purple, and blue paint a vivid contrast against the greenery. Nestled amidst lush greenery, the image captures a tranquil entryway that beckons with the promise of serenity. The focus is on a set of elegant double doors at the end of a cobblestone pathway, flanked by vibrant palm plants. The sun casts dappled shadows through the foliage, creating an interplay of light and dark that adds to the allure of this peaceful abode. Amidst the gentle embrace of nature, a weathered wooden door stands as a testament to timeless charm. Framed by a cascade of ivy and vibrant blooms, this entrance invites one to step into a world of tranquility. The stone pathway, worn smooth by countless footsteps, leads to this rustic retreat where the hustle of modern life fades away. Lanterns on either side cast a warm, welcoming glow, guiding visitors to the serenity that lies beyond. Nestled amidst a tranquil neighborhood, the modern abode's entrance exudes a warm invitation. The rich wooden door, with its sleek vertical lines and elegant glass panels, stands as a testament to contemporary design. Flanking this gateway are potted plants, their lush greenery offering a soft contrast to the structured beauty of the architecture. In a serene village, this charming white house with its curved entryway and traditional clay tile roof stands as a beacon of tranquility. The large wooden door, flanked by vibrant orange blossoms and terracotta pots, invites visitors into a peaceful haven. The clear blue sky above adds to the sense of calm and beauty, making this entrance a perfect blend of nature and architecture. In a quaint corner of an old brick-lined alley, embraced by the lush green tendrils of climbing ivy and flanked by twin terracotta pots hosting burgeoning plants, stands a sturdy wooden door. Its rich, warm hue and classic panel design whisper tales of tradition and mystery. This door, with its brass handle gleaming subtly in the soft light of a lantern overhead, serves as both a barrier and an invitation to an unseen sanctuary that promises tranquility and a respite from the bustling world beyond. In a serene garden, an architectural marvel stands, a modern home with expansive glass walls offering a glimpse into a warm, inviting interior. The contrast between the lush greenery outside and the cozy, well-lit space within creates a narrative of harmony between nature and contemporary living. This image captures the essence of modern design, blending seamlessly with its natural surroundings, making it both interesting and relevant for those who appreciate architecture and design. In the heart of a bustling city lies a serene escape, where the rigid lines of modern architecture blend seamlessly with the lush whispers of nature. This is a modern oasis, a home that stands as a testament to balance and tranquility. The concrete's cool gray tones juxtapose the warm wooden accents, creating an inviting pathway into this urban retreat. As the first rays of sunlight gently kiss the earth, a serene porch comes to life. Surrounded by lush greenery, potted plants of various sizes and shapes create a tranquil oasis. The vibrant patterned rug lies at the heart of this peaceful retreat, leading to a welcoming doorway flanked by glass panels that reflect the morning's golden glow. This is a place where time slows down, inviting one to bask in the quietude of dawn. As the first rays of sunlight gently kiss the earth, a serene porch comes to life. Surrounded by lush greenery, potted plants of various sizes and shapes create a tranquil oasis. The vibrant patterned rug lies at the heart of this peaceful retreat, leading to a welcoming doorway flanked by glass panels that reflect the morning's golden glow. This is a place where time slows down, inviting one to bask in the quietude of dawn. That's it for today's tour through creative and cozy home entrances. Remember, your entryway is your home's greeting to the world. Be sure to subscribe for more design tips and tricks, and let your entrance welcome you back every day with style.